Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Idy. So today's video is about transformation. I'll be sharing with you guys how I turned my old pair of jeans into this cute little denim skirts you're seeing right here. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? So if you're someone who is interested in this kind of hack, then you sure need to keep on watching. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this project, I'll be needing a pair of jeans, obviously, some threads and needle, a measuring tape, pins, scissors, a seam ripper, some marker, and my hands. I'm going to be measuring and cutting out the length of my skirts, adding an inch or two just for safety. You know, it's better to have excess fabric to work with. Yeah, cut, 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 cut. Using a seam ripper, I'll just rip that line apart like so. I'll just go all the way. So the seam ripper wasn't really doing it for me. I just had to go in with my scissors, thereby making it easier and just faster. Trust me, nobody wants to spend the rest of their lives ripping off jeans, you know. Just use your scissors and make that thing fast, and then you move on with your life, please. Now, laying the fronts and back side by side, I'm using my chalk to mark where I'll be sewing at the back, just to get rid of the excess I had while ripping off the flap line. So I'm just going to be sewing down that line I just drew. For the purpose of this video and those who may not have a sewing machine in their homes, to achieve this hack, I'll be using my hand to do the sewing. So if you happen to have a sewing machine at home, you can go ahead and use it. It makes the work neater and even faster. Now, I'll be sorting out the front of the skirt, guys. Remember the cutouts at the beginning of this video. That's going to be useful right here. So I'm using it to patch that V-shaped opening in front of the skirt. I'll just cut out what I know I need and then use that to patch the fronts of our cute little skirt. Using my pins, I'm going to pin the two fabrics together, just securing them in place for easy sewing. By the way, I'm using T-pins here because that's what I have. Just cutting off the excess so it doesn't get in the way while I'm sewing. Since it's a hand sewing, I need to get rid of whatever is going to make my sewing take longer, just to save time. Now the sewing begins. So I'm just going to sew down that line on both sides where the two fabrics meet. Notice I'm sewing inside and not outside. So I'm sewing inside in between the two fabrics so the seam doesn't get visible on the outside. And just keep sewing down till we are done and good to go. So while sewing, I keep taking out those pins so they don't get in the way. Just keep sewing and then checking for any errors so we can correct it while we move. as you can see, our skirt has come to life. So now that I'm done with the sewing, I'll go ahead and cut off any extra length I don't need, just to get the exact length I'm going for. I'm actually going for a shorter length on this one. I've made a couple of these skirts longer for outdoor wear, so this is meant for indoors. I think I mentioned this earlier in this video, I can't remember, but yeah. So I'm going for a shorter length. I'll just cut that off and we are good to go. If you want to go for a longer length, you can go ahead and do so. It depends on what you want. Now, turning my skirt inside out once again, I'm going to be cutting the excess fabric on both the front and the back side, like so. For the final touch, I'll be using a tweezer to just quickly roughen the hem of the skirt, because I didn't really like how blunt it looked, so I'll just do that all the way down to the other side and on both sides. And there you have it, my cute little skirt is ready. Isn't it looking nice and gorgeous? So I like this skirt because you can actually switch up looks, just dress up or dress down with it and just have fun. Yes, nice. Thank you for making it till the end of this video with me. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.